Assisi are very good at providing food and veterinary care and advice and support and everything, but it's so rewarding.
We try and give them as best comfort as we can here, especially the ones that come in here are sick, have been found maybe as a stray, and have come in just and then we find out actually they're not very well cats, and we give them the best opportunity to get better, and then we'll try and find them the best way home for them, so yeah, it definitely gives them a second chance, so it does. Yeah.